Gemini Naturals for the win. Cute spring, summer color, very natural looking. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be using some temporary hair color. I have not played in temporary hair color in a while. I'm excited to get back into my colors, and of course I'm going to be using Gemini Naturals, and I'm using the color Bronze Beauty. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and I am using this amazing microfiber towel from Gemini Naturals. Loving this towel so much. So I washed my hair and I added my leave-in conditioner, and I had it sitting inside of this microfiber towel for about 2 hours now. So my hair is not dry, but it is damp. I absolutely love this towel. Love it. I'll leave the information for this towel as well as the temporary color gel in the description box, as well as my discount code so you can save some coins on these amazing products from a Black-owned business. Small Black-owned business. Small female Black-owned business. Let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so I went ahead and twisted the back section of my hair. So we're going to move on to the next section. So again, I'm working on damp hair. The color does show up the most vibrant on dry or damp hair. And I'm working in medium sections. And I'm still trying to decide whether I want to do a middle part or a side part. I think I'm leaning towards the side part, but haven't decided yet. So let's just keep on working. So again, as I stated, I'm working in medium sections. So I'm just parting off a medium section, going in with my brush to detangle, adding 1 pump of the color gel, and a little does go a long way with this color gel. Know that I can be heavy-handed with it at times, but a little does go a long way. So I add the gel, detangled again, and now I am twisting in medium sections, twisting fairly tightly. And I'm twisting about 80 to 90% of the way down, and then I'm finger coiling the end. And you can see that pop of color. All right, so I'm gonna keep on moving right around this section. Again, detangling the section first. Going in with 1 pump of the gel, the colored gel. And this is a colored gel, not wax. The only temporary colored gel that I know. I absolutely love it. It's a lot more lightweight product than the wax is, and it just gives you a nice natural looking color. So this Bronze Beauty is perfect for the spring and summer. Okay, so I finished another section of my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the top section off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so our hair is now all twisted. You can see that nice little color pop. So I'm gonna sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and then I'll let the rest air dry overnight. And then I'll be back tomorrow for the takedown, so stay tuned. Okay, and here we are the next day. Twist are dry, ready for the takedown. So let's see what we're looking like. Okay. Ooh. And I'm loving this pop of natural looking color. Not too much, but just enough. And I love how this gel gives definition and a light hold. Okay, so we have one side taken down. We're gonna do this side. Okay, all of the twists are out now. We're just going to separate. Just pulling the twist down and letting it separate where it normally wants to separate. Definitely loving the results already. So I'm just going to continue untwisting and do a little light fluffing. See this definition. And I will be back with the final look. Stay tuned. And here are my final results. Loving the color, loving the definition. Gemini Naturals for the win. Cute spring, summer color, very natural looking. Love it. Again, I'll leave the information where you can purchase this temporary color gel. There are a lot of different colors that you can purchase, as well as my discount code in the description box. So make sure that you check that out. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.